new fidget.
Hey man, I remember the time when I used to have my fidget spinner, man. I remember the time I got my first fidget spinner.
Mom got it from the best friend.
The feeling, sensational, man. I'm telling you, man. Like kids nowadays, you know what I'm saying? They're on some, whatever they're on, you know, like toys wise. But us, we had fidget spinner, blades. The metal ones, the metal fusion ones, you know what I'm saying? Ryuga, Jenga. We had Pokemon cards. I mean, kids nowadays still have Pokemon cards, but like, we had Pokemon cards when it was at its peak, you know what I'm saying?
Try to go watch with us.
Ooh, holy. Yeah, man, they had all kinds of fidget spinner, yeah. I remember, I ain't gonna lie, man. Shit was legendary.